Hey friends, welcome to another video. This is a quick video with a small update on the issues that I have faced with my all new Interceptor 650. I have taken the delivery of my Interceptor 650 Barcelona Blue a month before. Quite surprisingly, I have been facing unexpected issues with my Interceptor 650 from day one. And finally, I have received an update from Royal Enfield related to the issues that I have faced with it. For those who have watched my earlier videos, you would know that my Interceptor was getting turned off while applying clutch and while on the move, and I have taken the vehicle a couple of times to the service folks. To be frank, the service folks have cleaned up the side stand sensors, adjusted the clutch levers, cleaned up the plugs that connects to the cylinders and so on. And post a couple of visits to the service center, I have noticed the frequency of the issue has reduced. However, I was not able to reproduce the issue regularly. Even the service folks were not able to reproduce the issue. Still, when I ride it for a day, I noticed that the Interceptor 650 was getting turned off at least once in a day. When I rode it for around like 50 kilometers or so, it was getting turned off once or twice in a day, and it was a cause of concern for me. When I have informed this to the service folks again, they have asked me to take a video next time and show it to them. So I have been capturing these moments with my action camera, and fortunately I have got a few visuals of the problem. Here are some of the instances where my Interceptor 650 Barcelona Blue was getting turned off. Here are those visuals. I have shown these visuals where the Interceptor 650 is getting turned off to the service people again. After I have given these visuals to the service people, the service engineer that I was in discussion with has told me that these visuals were handed over to the warranty engineer. After a couple of days, I got the response from the Royal Enfield service team that this issue is caused by a problem in the throttle body. The service team of Royal Enfield has informed me that they have noticed this issue with the recent Interceptors and it is quite known for them. So what they have done is they have requested for replacing the throttle body. The order has been placed for replacing the throttle body. According to them, the throttle body replacement would cost around 12,000 rupees. Since this is a new bike, they have told me that they will try to get it covered through the warranty. Alright, so this was quite unexpected. I was not expecting any of these kind of issues when I purchased a new Royal Enfield bike. This is not the first time that I have purchased a Royal Enfield bike. It was a bit annoying. However, it is what it is and you can't do much about it. And I'm glad that the service engineer and the warranty engineer has finally taken the right measures to correct this problem. The throttle body is not available in stock and they have placed an order for the throttle body. And I'm still waiting for the spare part to get arrived, and once it is available with the service people, I will visit the service center to correct this problem again. I will share the update on this problem of my Interceptor 650 in one of my upcoming videos as soon as I get it resolved by the service folks. Alright folks, that was a very quick video with a small update on the issue that I have faced with my Interceptor 650 Barcelona Blue 2023 model. Thank you so much for watching this video and you all have a wonderful day ahead.